Now what we want to get is just that first variant of customer acquisition cost. It's the most basic, often most common definition of CAC that you'll see in public company disclosures, which is what we call over here the unadjusted sales and marketing CAC, which is basically sales and marketing expense divided by the customers acquired in that same period of time. So we have sales and marketing over here, total acquisitions is over here. We can see this is acquisitions by channel, and so total acquisitions would just be the sum of all of that. And we're going to use that formula for every single quarter. Then the unadjusted sales and marketing CAC is just sales and marketing divided by acquisitions. So we can look at that over time. So what do we see? We see that the unadjusted sales and marketing CAC has been moving down over